Hi guys, it's me. Today we will be opening some new shoes because my shoes are a little old. These are Grand Court 2.0 K. K means kids, and these are for boys and girls. I am a size 1. Don't ask. Let's start opening these. I like how these are rainbow depending on the color, and we will take the tag off. This has the same thing here. It's rainbow. And it has a bunch of grips. So when you're walking on the court or this cement, you won't fall, I think. You just get a lot of grip. We will obviously take the tag off. I don't know if I said that or not, but after I get the other shoe took out the box, we will actually put it on my feet. I'm not barefoot. Same thing here, but no tag. They have to double knot this. Ah! I like how these shoes are white. If you get them dirty, they're easy to clean. Because they're leather, not like those soft shoes. You can't wash them, so you have to be very careful with those soft shoes. But these ones, you still have to be careful with it, just not that careful. I like how they're rainbow, like here, on the back of the shoe, and here. They have, surprisingly, I forgot about this, but there's glitter on the little tag. Just gonna let you have a notice of that for 2 seconds. Now, the inside is soft. They're not plastic, so it's gonna be safe for the environment. Same with this. There's also glitter on here too. Soft here too. Squishy, squishy. Makes it like a squishy, squishy. Same with everything here. I know I already said I'm a size 1, but I have to tell you. Now it's time to put these on my feet. Sorry. Is this my foot? Don't have to tie them because I'm not walking anywhere with these until I actually walk. It's time right now. If you hear any noises, just pretend you don't. They're nothing. They're nothing of your business. I'm sorry I'm saying it again, but these are super, super, super comfortable. So these are the Adidas Grand Court 2.0 Kids. Now let's go outside to see what these babies can do.